Well, today's the day we fire this thing up. Got the wheels back, tires are all on, and now all that's left to do is to put it down on the ground and try to fire it up. Everything seems to be hooked up. I can't think of anything we forgot. So just put it down and give it a try. Okay, well, we're ready to try it. Is the camera pointed in the right direction? Yeah, looks good. So we're gonna run it without the ignition first to get the oil pressure up. Check the leaks.
Coming?
I can't tell, there's no light.
Turn parking lights on.
Oh, I see, it doesn't have a light. It's got a gauge and it's too dark to see.
Even if you turn your running lights on? Oh shoot, I forgot one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I can't see anything.
Right here.
Oh, there it is. Gasoline, half full, temperature, oil pressure, there it is. Nothing.
So we ain't got no petrol up here either.
Gas in the carburetor?
Filter.
Oh.
Fill it up at all.
Huh.
Right, which might just take a minute. Might put some air in that friggin' gas tank.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll shut the camera off and try again. Come on. Okay, well, we pulled out the distributor and primed the oil pump. Yeah, give it a try. Okay, we're ready to go. All we need now is electricity to the points. Yeah. So this is... It's already hooked up. Well, it should be firing then. Yeah. Well, it did something. That doesn't sound good at all.
Fire order is messed up somehow.
Yeah, all right, we'll have to work that out. Well, it almost fired, but the starter's dragging, so we got to see if there's something wrong with a brand new starter. Now you've done it. At least you can see your shoe.
Jeez.
Yeah, good old Rich.
Put this on.
Yeah, Rich is pretty strong. I guess you don't know his own strength, huh?
He's a big boy.
Yeah.
I see my ratchet.
You see it. Huh? Oh, yeah, right where you left it. No wonder.
Probably.
Oh, there's the starter. There's the Bendix drive. It doesn't go back all the way in. It's been rubbing on here. So, we called the parts store. They're going to have another one for us in 2 hours. So I don't know what to do till then. Yeah, we didn't put the return spring on yet. We'll worry about that later. There's a lot of stuff we got to worry about later, but first of all, we got to see if it'll start and run without dragging the starter.
This fucking car's too high. It's still on the lift?
Yeah. Yeah, it's still up a little ways.
Okay.
Well, that sounded promising. Come on, you can do it. The starter is awful loud. But hey, it's not dragging.
We're gonna have to close that toe.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, it's I don't know. I think the timing maybe. We gotta put a timing light on it. And all right, we got some antifreeze in there. We got a lot of fumes in the garage, so we can't run it too long. But here goes. I can't, it's not idling. That was idle.
I haven't adjusted the carburetor yet.
Yeah.
There's something blowing friggin'.
A lot of smoke coming off here.
Antifreeze blowing everywhere.
Yeah.
And I couldn't
Oh, hey, there's a light.
see why.
Well.
That's the antifreeze blowing.
Yeah. But where's it coming from?
I don't know.
Well, there's another.
That's what I was saying. I couldn't exactly.
Yeah, so apparently they didn't tighten the intake manifold. Whoops, I lost the camera down in there. It's leaking from the front of the intake. We thought it was.
Can you see my finger?
Yeah, but not on the camera.
Okay,
Maybe
well,
the camera can see it. It's down lower than I am.
Right in there.
Right in there. Yeah, so anyways, the intake manifold has to come off and be resealed because they never tightened it, it seems. All the bolts were loose. The oil pan was loose. Summit Racing Products. Oh, this isn't a light, this is a camera. How are we doing? Got no liquid in there?
I don't see any water, but if it is,
Yeah,
it'll be in the bottom. So we'll
Yeah.
have to pull the plug and stick it back in quick.
Well,
See if we get any water out of the bottom of it.
yeah. So, it runs okay, but it needs work. So I'm not going to buy any more motors from Summit. I think it was ATK in Texas that built it for them. And I don't think they did a good job. And apparently they never ran it because there was no oil in it. There was no oil filter. And there was no mess of oil anywhere near the filter where they might have taken one off. Yeah, so it's probably a good engine, but we'll have to figure out, you know, talk down all the specifications. And I don't even know if the head bolts are tight enough.
Well,
So-
at this point, we need to pull the top end off as
Yeah.
far as the valve covers, the intake, to check the lifters, because we tighten. I'll bring my torque wrench tomorrow.
Yeah,
We'll torque everything to what the book says
yeah,
for a 68302. As far as the head bolts, the freaking rockers, got to pull the intake. I wouldn't fuck with them gaskets. Excuse my language. I wouldn't mess with the gaskets. I'd put new ones on it
yeah,
because we did run it some,
yeah.
and there's no sense taking a chance
All
on.
right. So, it looks like it's the end of the line for today. Till we get a torque wrench. Suppose we got to drain it, huh? Or else it's all going to leak out.
Yeah. good idea.
Well, I was hoping to take it for a ride this afternoon, but I guess not. Might as well shut down the furnace, wasting heat here.
The thing of it is, as many problems that we had with this, making pulleys fit and stuff, it's supposed to be a motor for a 68.
Yeah,
It's probably a later model motor, because
Yeah.
it's got the smaller harmonic balancer on it. Nothing fits, nothing lined up.
yeah,
These people that built this, yeah, they built the 302, and it's probably a good motor.
yeah,
But you shouldn't have to babysit them. When you buy a motor built
yeah,
from a supposedly reputable company, you should slam it in, turn the key, and it should go.
yeah. That's my thoughts on it too. I thought it was going to just go in there and run.
And it's not like it's your or my first day out.
Yeah,
You know, I don't know how many motors I put in. I don't know how many motors you have.
yeah. Well,
But
I'm
I
gonna
guarantee it's more than one or two.
have to post this on YouTube just the way it is. I was hoping it would be running fine and
Yeah.
we could be happy and dancing around drinking beers. I'm gonna drink beer anyway, but I won't be smiling as much.
No, I'm not super happy with this thing. I thought we'd be done today.
Yeah. So there's more video coming after we finish putting it back together again. First we gotta tear it apart and put it back together. But so that's it for now. Be sure to hit the like button on this thing because nobody likes my videos and it's starting to make me feel insecure. Even Mike doesn't like me much anymore.
Never did. But wait till they get to know you.
Yeah. Well, yeah, so anyway, hit the like button, subscribe, please. I need more subscribers. I'm trying for 1 million. So far I got 78, I think. Or is it 79?
Long way to go either way.
Yeah. Yeah, once I hit 1 million, I'm going to give away a free Mustang. Or, you know, probably my 65 fastback with the 289 4-speed. So it's more incentive for you people to subscribe. So I'm going to go put this disappointing thing on YouTube and I call it a day.